Now consider this example, which is a little bit trickier than the earlier one. Here you are asked to create the largest possible 4-digit number using 5903. So again, here if you are going to create a 4-digit number, then obviously there will be 4 places starting from right with ones. That means this place represents the number of ones, this place represents the number of tens, this place represents the number of hundred, and this one represents the number of thousands. So by the logic as already discussed, we are going to put the largest digit over here in the thousands place. So here the largest digit is 9. So we are going to put 9 in the thousand place and make it the largest possible, because if you are going to put any other number or any other digit over there in the thousand place, suppose if you put 5, this will be 5,000s, 0,000s nothing, or you can have 3,000s. So by putting 9, you are sure that we are going to have the maximum number of thousands, and therefore the whole number will be maximized. Next we put in the hundreds place the next largest number, which is 5, and by same logic we will have 3 number of tens and 0 number of ones. So the largest possible 4-digit number formed is 9500 plus 3 tens. You may also be given to write certain numbers in expanded form in words, so you should be knowing all these things also, and therefore I am discussing these over here. So this can be written as 9530. Next we are given to create the smallest possible 4-digit number using digits 5, 9, 0 and 3. The digits are same as question number A, but here we have to find out the smallest possible 4-digit number. And by our logic, we are going to put the lowest digit over here because we need to minimize. Here for question number A, we have to maximize. That means we have to find out the largest, and minimize means we have to find out the smallest possible number. So by our logic, we put the smallest possible digit, that is 0 over here at the thousands place. Then we put the next smaller, which is 3 over here. Then we put 5, and then we put 9. This place represents number of thousands, displays number of hundreds, tens and ones. So this is equal to 300, 5 tens and 9 ones, or simply 359. But if you look carefully over here, as I have already discussed in my earlier videos, that 0 to the left hand side of any number is or are insignificant. So this 0 is insignificant. That means this 0 has got no value. Whether you put it or not, this 0 has got no value. This 0 or any number of zeros put to the left side of any number has got no value. So all these zeros are insignificant. So this number is basically not a 4-digit number, because we are asked to form the smallest possible 4-digit number, but this is 359, which is basically a 3-digit number. So this 359 is not our correct answer. So find out the correct answer. Here, if the number of digits, if the given digits consists of 0 somewhere, then instead of taking 0, we will put the very next higher number at the thousands place, because if we put 0 over here in the thousands place, this will make this number a 3-digit number, which we have seen, and therefore to make it, or to make the number a 4-digit number, we will put the next higher number than 0. What I mean to say is that if we arrange the numbers in ascending order, if we arrange the digits in ascending order, we will see that 0 is the lowest, then comes 3, then comes 5, then comes 9. So instead of putting 0 in the highest place value, we will be putting the next higher number, so that this number which is formed can be a 4-digit number. So we will put 3 over here, and now we can put 0 over here. So this represents the number of hundreds. So to minimize this number, we have to put 0 at the hundreds place, because if you put 5 or 9, it will not make the number the lowest one, because if you put 5, we will have 5 hundreds. If you put 9, it will make this 9 hundreds. So to minimize, we have to take 0 in the hundreds place, so that we will have 0 number of hundreds. Next, by the same logic, we will put 5 at the tens place. This represents the number of tens, and 9 at the, which is the largest digit over here, at the ones place. So please remember, the concept here is that why we are putting the number which is just higher than 0 at the thousands place is to make this number a 4-digit number, because if you put 0 at the thousands place, this is going to be a 3-digit number. By putting 3 at the thousand place, we are making it a 4-digits number. And obviously this is somewhat asked in the question, so you please read the question carefully. So this is 3000, 0 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones, or simply we can write this as 3059. I hope you have understood the logic and the difference between my previous set of A and B questions and this set of A and B questions, where I have got 0 as one of the digit. Please read the questions carefully and answer them properly. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.